Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to trade micro E-mini futures, specifically the MES contract on TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to enter, customize, and manage a trade on one of the most popular futures platforms. Whether you're brand new to futures or just switching over to TradingView, this guide will have you covered with everything you need to get started confidently. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head to the symbol search bar at the top left of your TradingView chart. You might have seen this before. It's where you find stocks, forex, crypto, and yes, futures. Go ahead and type MES into the symbol search. Now MES stands for Micro E-mini S&P 500, so using that ticker will pull up all the available contracts. That's what we want. Once you see the list populate, look for the one right at the top. Usually it's the most active contract, and it'll be labeled something like CME, MES. Click directly on that row and your chart will update to show you the price action for MES. From here, shift your focus down towards the bottom of the screen. You'll notice there's a trade button sitting there. This is your gateway to the order panel. Go ahead and click on trade. If you're seeing this for the first time, the panel might look a bit overwhelming, so let's break it down piece by piece. Inside the order trade panel, you'll see a few core options. First up, you have to decide, are you buying or selling? If you're bullish and think the S&P 500 is about to rally, you'll look for buy. On the flip side, if you expect a downturn, you pick sell. Next, TradingView lets you choose the type of order. You'll see market, limit, and stop. A market order means you want to jump in right away at the current price fast, but sometimes less precise. A limit order lets you specify the exact price where you want your entry, which is great if you're patient or have a target in mind. A stop order is handy if you want to trigger a trade once the price reaches a certain point, maybe for breakouts or trend reversals. Once you've chosen your side and order type, it's time to set the price in ticks. Price is straightforward, just enter your preferred level. Ticks are essentially the minimum price movement for a futures contract, so adjusting ticks can help dial in your exact entry, especially if you're working with tighter stops or targets. Don't worry if this part takes a minute, it's worth being precise. Below that, you'll see units and margin. Units refer to how many contracts you want to trade. Since this is a micro contract, you're typically starting in small size, which is perfect for new traders. Margin is the amount of capital required to open the position, so double-check that you have enough funds in your account. Now, this next part is absolutely vital, setting your take profit and stop loss. It's tempting to skip these, but trust me, this step can make all the difference. Take profit is like telling the platform, if price hits this level in my favor, close it out and lock those gains. Stop loss is your safety net. If the market goes against you, it automatically closes your trade to protect your account. Spend a moment thinking about logical levels, and remember, you can always adjust these later if needed. You'll also notice an option called Time in Force. This basically tells TradingView how long to keep your order active, whether just for today, for the week, or even the month. For quick trades or day trading, day is usually fine, but if you have a longer-term plan, pick what fits your strategy. Once you've reviewed everything and you're comfortable with your settings, just click that final buy or sell button at the bottom. That's it, your order will be submitted and you're now trading micro E-minis on TradingView. If you made it this far, awesome job. Trading futures might seem complex at first, but once you get familiar with the TradingView order panel, it's honestly pretty straightforward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and drop any questions you have in the comments. I always check and respond to help out. And if you want more tutorials just like this, be sure to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy trading.